Most teens graduate high school without ever learning how money, credit, or business really work. Over half say they feel unprepared for life after graduation. But when kids are exposed to entrepreneurship early, they gain the confidence and skills to succeed, no matter what path they choose. That's why we created Thrive Profits Youth Masterclass, a program designed for students ages 10 to 18 that teaches them how to build and pitch a profitable business plan. Students will learn mission and vision building, feasibility, market research, artificial intelligence, financial planning, SWOT analysis, marketing strategies, and pitching their ideas with confidence. Along the way, they'll develop leadership, problem solving, communication, and money management skills. And because our classes are on demand, your child can also learn at their own pace. Every student also receives our cash flow entrepreneurship booklet, flashcards, a complete business plan template, and access to on-demand videos from proven business leaders. Don't let your child enter adulthood unprepared. Give them the tools to succeed, lead, and thrive in business and in life. Go Fish Village Thrive Profits Youth Entrepreneurship Masterclass. Enroll today at www.gofishvillage.com.